Hello and welcome, and just a quick reminder that I will be using a couple of sets of dies from Julie Hickey Designs during the next few card sketch challenge videos. The first is Lovely Leaves and the second is Beautiful Blooms. I will also be using a set of papers called Bloom and Wild from Craft Consortium. Okay, let's crack on with the card. So I've already cut the paper layer to size according to the layout that's available to download from my website, gentlemancrafter.com, and I'm sticking that to the front of the card with foam pads. Excuse me. Next up, I've cut a couple of dies. One comes from the Lovely Leaves set, that's the large piece, and then the other comes from the Beautiful Blooms die set. I'm going to stick those in place with bookbinding glue, as always. And the exact positioning you can mess about with. I've basically illustrated this on the layout with a circle and a rectangle. You can, of course, choose to use whatever dies you've got available in your collection if you don't have these or can't get hold of them. If you do want them, just head over to Julie Hickey Designs. She's on Facebook and she should be able to guide you in the right direction. So these flowers, again, I've used just the dies in those sets, in fact just in the Beautiful Blooms, to create stacked flowers. I'm going to stick those to the card front again using foam pads. You could of course use dimensional glue or silicone glue or whatever you've got available. Not the easiest thing peeling off these backs. Anyway, we're at Card Sketch Challenge 24, which means we're almost halfway through the year. I mean, technically we are, because we're in July and I took a month off, but we're almost half a year's worth of cards made. Don't forget I've got a Card Sketch Challenge Facebook group if you want to come and share what you've made from these. Just check out the links below the video and on the blog post. Okay, that's it for this one. Please remember to like and subscribe.